Good morning, Tom. Today is your first day of school.
I am excited, but I am a little scared. Don't worry, Tom. I will be with you. Okay, let's go. Mom, I have my notebook and my pencil case.
The car is ready in 10 minutes.
Anna, wait. What is wrong, Tom? I cannot find my pencil case.
What? Are you sure?
Yes, I looked. It is not there.
Oh no. Did you leave it at home?
I don't know. I had it this morning.
Don't worry, Tom. We will all keep our eyes open. We will find it. Come on, everyone. Time for school.
Mom, what if no one talks to me?
Someone will talk to you, Tom. Just smile and say hello. You are brave. I know you can do it.
Wow, it is so big. And look at the playground.
Here we are. Come on, kids. Goodbye, sweetheart. Have a wonderful day.
Goodbye, Mom. Goodbye, Dad.
We love you. See you after school.
We love you too. Okay. Let's go. That is my brave Tom.
Good morning. Welcome to our school.
Good morning. Hello, Teacher Olivia.
You must be Tom and Anna. Please come in. Class, we have 2 new friends today. Please welcome Tom and Anna.
Hello, Tom. Hello, Anna.
Everyone is looking at us. Just smile, Tom.
Hi, Tom. My name is Leo. I never lose anything. I have a list for everything.
A list?
Yes, I write everything down. It helps me remember. That is very smart, Leo.
Hi, Anna. My name is Maya. Welcome to our class. Thank you, Maya. If you need anything, you can ask me. That is very kind of you.
Hi, Tom. I am Jack. Do you like football?
Yes, I like football very much.
Me too. We can play at break time.
That sounds great. Hi, I am Sophie. I love drawing. Hi, Sophie. I am Anna. I love drawing too. Really? We can draw together today. And
Please take your seats, everyone. Now, class, let's start our first activity. Everyone, please say your name and one thing you like. Leo, would you like to start?
My name is Leo. I like drawing and playing football. And I have a list of everything I need to remember today.
very good, Leo. That was very good, Leo. My name is Maya. I like reading and helping my friends. And I know everyone in this school.
Excellent, Maya. My name is Jack. I like running and being very, very loud.
Class, inside voices, please.
Sorry, Teacher Olivia.
My name is Sophie. I like drawing tiny things.
How tiny, Sophie?
Very tiny, like ants.
And flowers.
And little stars.
How lovely. Tom, your turn. Please stand up.
My name is Tom. I like football and toy cars, and right now I am looking for my pencil case.
Very good, Tom. Please sit down.
We will help you find it.
I will not stop until we find Tom's pencil case. That is what a good sister does.
Now, open your books to page 1. Look at the picture. What do you see?
Oh, Leo?
I see a backpack.
Good, Leo. What color is it?
It is red. Teacher Olivia, may I add something?
Of course, Leo.
I also see a...
Tom, can you make a sentence using something you see on the page?
I have a blue pencil case. It has a yellow star. I need to find it.
Wonderful, Tom. That is an excellent sentence.
Maya?
Teacher Olivia, I think I saw something blue near the school gate this morning.
Really, Maya?
Yes. On the ground near the big tree.
Thank you, Maya. That is very helpful. Tom, we will go and look near the big tree at break time. Now, class,
This is a backpack.
this is a backpack.
This is a pencil case. This is a pencil case.
All right, class, it is time for a short break. Walk slowly. Anna,
The big tree. Now.
let's go. Everyone come.
Where exactly was it? Near the big tree. I have the description ready. We are going to find it. We will find it, Tom. I will look very carefully. I'm just glad we found it before class started. Me too. Thanks for helping us look, Maya. That's what friends are for. Look carefully. It has to be here. I am checking under the leaves. I see a worm. It is a very big worm. Wait, is this it? It is. It is my pencil case, the yellow star. It is still there. We found it. Thank you. Really, thank you. I did not have any friends this morning. Now I have 5. Friends help each other find things. Break time is over. Let's go back. Today started very hard, but now it is wonderful. I knew it would be.
Good morning, class. I am Mr. David. I will teach you math today. I see we have 2 new students. Welcome, Tom and Anna.
Thank you, Mr. David.
Thank you, Mr. David.
Now look around the room. Can you find a triangle, Tom?
The roof of the house in the picture is a triangle.
Perfect, Tom. Well done. You are doing very well today, Tom.
Today we will draw something special. We will draw our favorite moment from today.
I know what I will draw.
Me too.
Drawing us at the big tree. I am drawing our kitchen. It is warm and yellow. I am drawing Tom's face when he found the pencil case.
Tom, what is this?
This is us. Me, Anna, Leo, Maya, Jack, and Sophie, finding my pencil case together.
That is beautiful, Tom. How did it feel?
We found it, Mom. All of us, together.
That is wonderful, Tom.
That is wonderful.
Goodbye, friends. See you tomorrow.